Okay, let's just explain here role, standard, and viewpoint. Degree is not the only type of meaning which specifies more exactly the scope of a gradable word. By S, you can also specify the role which the gradable word implies. Therefore, you can specify the standard by which the speaker injecting its use. John is clever. John is very clever. John is clever at swimming. John is a good swimmer for a youngster. For a learner, he swims well. Further, you can specify the viewpoint or respect in terms of which a word or phrase in use. Morally, it was not an easy problem. If from a moral point of view, in a way, I was surprised at his behavior, in one respect or from one point of view. Next, there is comparison. A postmodern phrase or clause introduced by then can indicate the standard against which the comparison is made. To describe the picture, you may say Jack is taller than Jill. Jill is shorter than Jack. Jill is less tall than Jack. Jack is less short than Jill. Next, there is equal comparisons. For an equal comparison, e.g. when Jack and Jill are the same height, we use as with as instead of more with than. For example, Jack is as tall as Jill. Jill is as tall as Jack. To negate equal comparison, we say not as with as or not so with as. For example, Jill is not as tall as Jack. Jack is not so short as Jill. There is comparative and superlative. When comparing only two things, we use the comparative form. Jill is the shorter of the two children. Jack is the taller of the two children. When comparing more than two objects, we use superlative from tallest, most useful, least tall. For example, Susan is the tallest of the three. Jill is the shortest of the three. Next, enough and two. Enough and two are words indicating sufficiency and excess. The norm to which this word refers can be indicated by a to infinitive clause. He's rich enough to own a car. The grass is too long for me to cut. Note that both have the same meaning as he's not too poor to own a car. The grass isn't short enough for me to cut. Next, comparison with nouns. More of a different concentration just illustrated can be applied to gradable nouns like successful, coward. By the use of more of a, as much of a, less of a. For example, he's more of a sportsman than his brother. It was as much of a success as I expected. You are less of a fool than I thought. He's enough of a man to tell the truth. He's too much of a coward to tell the truth. Okay, next, proportion. To compare circumstances in terms of equivalent tendencies, you can use an clause of proportion introduced by S. As time went on, things got worse and worse. There is a more construction in which so is added to the main clause. As you go farther north, so the winters become longer and more severe. Here another contraction expressing proportion consists of two clauses beginning with the plus a comparative word. The farther north you go, the more severe the winters are. The more you argue with him, the less notice he takes.